Every generative AI is like a powerful genie, but you have to be careful what you wish for. When you give it a prompt, you unleash a power that can create anything you can imagine.
This genie has studied nearly all of human creativity. It knows our art, our stories, and our language. But its power is entirely dependent on the quality of your wish, your prompt. A vague wish leads to a vague creation. It lacks detail, style, and imagination. To get a masterpiece, you must be a master of the wish. You must provide the details. Describe the subject, the style, the environment, the mood. Be the director.
And the genie will build your world exactly as you describe it.
But the genie can also be dangerously literal. It does what you say, not always what you mean. A tiny flaw in your wish can create a flaw in reality because it doesn't truly understand the world. Its knowledge also contains our hidden flaws. It can learn from our historical biases and reflect them back to us, reinforcing old stereotypes without careful guidance. Mastery isn't about one perfect wish. It's a conversation, a process of refinement and collaboration. Think of it less as a servant and more as an infinitely fast, creative partner. With the right approach, this power can design our future and visualize our dreams. The lamp is the technology, and the genie is the algorithm. But the real magic will always be your imagination.